Check out this 2009 Hyundai Sonata GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, XM satellite radio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and 4-wheel independent suspension. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.